welcome to my average day in quarantine. My dog likes to come wake me up, which is nice of him. Yeah, now I have to go change immediately because you cannot wear white on a farm. We gotta go feed the lambs. Let's go. These guys are cute, but really annoying at the same time. I'm just watering the grass, but this looks sick. Look at that. Ooh. Hey guys. Hey. Hey. I haven't fed the chickens and guinea fowls and ducks and stuff in like a year, so I don't really know how much food they get anymore. But yeah, let's let them out. Not gonna lie, that was all like build up, and I'm pretty sure I just missed it. We got an egg! Oh no, it's a golf ball. Damn. Well, I was coming to show you the sheep, and I stumbled upon a puppy. Hello. Anyway, so these are the sheep. Well, these are some of the sheep. The rest of them are in there. This is my one right there, and that one, the two black ones called Di and Dixie. And then, yeah, no one really cares about the white ones. This is the rest of them. Yeah. It's currently 10 past 10. Oh. 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 Never mind. Yes, it's missing mama bird. I'm not squeezing or anything, don't worry. His parents are over there. Now we've got to find a nest. Oh, okay, there's mama bird. Oh no, daddy bird. I cannot see a nest. So, we're just going to put him down in the middle of the garden and wait for his parents to come get him. Fly. He's heading for a window. No, he cannot fly. Hey, come back. Hey, it's okay. We found the nest and another one flew out, which is in here somewhere. The other one's still over there. There it is. Oh, that one can fly, kind of. Okay, so you're now on head cam. Yeah, I went barefoot and I took my hat off so I could put the head thing on. And there's the pond, and then the blackbird's in the field, and they've been in this tree, so I'm gonna have to climb the tree, but with one hand because I have to hold the little bird. So, a little bit higher, I do not see any nests, but the blackbirds, yeah, there's one right there. I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. I have your baby, squeak baby, tweet or whatever, make a sound. I don't think there's a nest up here. Oh my god. Oh, hello. No, I just got some very angry. Daddy blackbird just flew away over there, and I think, yeah, the baby one's still there, so I'm going to set you up here. No, it's okay. Oh, the blackbird is literally on that chair where you're perched now. No way, that's sick. Come on, little guy, please don't bite me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, I know you're gonna bite me. No! It's here, it's here, it's here. They're in that tree, they're going mental. But this one can't fly yet. I think the nest might be in here. Not really sure. But I need to find it to put him back in. Is there a nest up there? Oh, I think there might be a nest. We're at the park. Here's a montage of us playing basketball. Everybody's got to make one trick shot. We left the park and we're off to a river to go for a swim because it's proper hot. To the rapids. They're pretty deadly. Let's go. Right, we're just going down river to find a deeper part so we can go swimming.